absolute zero. This is defined as the minimum absolute temperature of an ideal gas. Please understand, absolute temperature is the minimum absolute temperature of an ideal gas. So if we plot pressure versus temperature, that is P versus T, we get a straight line. From pressure and temperature we get a straight line, but if we extend this backwards to the x-axis, here is a point. So the minimum temperature is found to be what? Here 273.15 experimentally, and this is known as absolute zero, but it is on the left hand side, that is the negative x-axis. So the relation between the temperature in Kelvin and Celsius is given by, this temperature is given by the Tc plus 273.15.